What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So we have an interesting one today. We might have broken something on the car, but I'm not gonna do much talking, so I'm just gonna show you guys. All right, so as you guys could see, obviously we broke the lip. So technically what broke was just this bottom piece right here. Everything else is fine, like these are still fine, nothing happened to them. But let me get the actual piece because I kept it, and then I'll show you guys. Okay, so here they are side by side. So yeah, basically that just broke off. Same for the other side. It kind of sucks, but you know, it is what it is. Not really much I could do. But now I'm just gonna explain to you guys exactly how it broke off. Okay, so now let me explain exactly what happened that day. So I was coming from work and it was pouring. I mean, you guys know I live in Florida, so it rains a lot here, but it was like a non-stop rain. Everything was fine. I made it. So I was taking this corner right here, coming into my driveway. So as you can see, the driveway has like a dip right here, and then it goes up. Well, I took the corner and I put it in neutral like I always do. I didn't go fast or anything. I was literally in neutral. I was just trying to slide down, but this was all flooded, like flooded. Like I think it was from here to like here, which is like there to there, right? And whatever, I didn't think anything of it because it's not the first time that it gets flooded, and I've gone through it, no problem. So as I'm sliding down, that I hit right here, I hear like a crack, like a really loud crack, to the point where I thought that I ripped off the bumper. I didn't really think anything of it because I couldn't really do much. It was pouring, so I didn't want to get wet. So I just went up, and once I made it to the top, I parked it, and I didn't even want to look at the car, but whatever, I got down. So then I ran over here and I stood under this little roof right here, and when I looked over there, as you can see, believe it or not, the actual piece wasn't broken. It was actually just warped inwards, like towards the car, like inside. So I actually ran back and I pulled it back in place. And yeah, like basically it had, at that point, it had like, you know, like a little hairline crack here, but it didn't actually rip off. So whatever, I just kind of left it like that. And then I had to go pick up my grandma because she was stuck, and since it was raining, I went and picked her up. And then I hit another freaking like little small pothole like that with like a lot of water. And once I hit that, it just like this piece right here completely ripped off, and this one was hanging on, but this was like inwards like that, stuck like that. So I had to freaking pull it back again, and then I just ripped it off from here, and that's where we are. That's where we have one piece stuck here and another one over there. So my theory is, as soon as I hit the little dip with the water, what must have happened was that the water made pressure in the front, which caused it to like invert, you know, towards this way, and that's why it made me have to pull it back out. So I mean, I guess that's what must have happened. It's the only thing that makes sense to me. So like so much water pressure must have been on, you know, like the front of this, that it just pulled it literally inwards. So yeah, that is the story of the lip. Honestly, when it happened, I wasn't really mad. I was just kind of like, what are the odds? You know, I made it home, you know, could have hit something anywhere else, and it happens at my own freaking home, but it is what it is. It's not that big of a deal. So what I'm gonna do right now is actually, I'm gonna try to unscrew this and the other piece, so I don't have, you know, like that dangling like that, and I could just use this for now. So let's do that real quick. here are the two broken pieces, side by side, and then put them together. There you go. So that's officially the whole part that broke off. But so I'm just gonna keep it like this because these aren't damaged. As you can see, these are perfect. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like that for now. But what do you guys think? Should I get a new lip? Should I keep these? Or should I just buy the same lip? What do you guys think? Put it down in the comments. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of the video. So as you guys saw, I broke the lip. It's unfortunate, but it could have been worse, so it's not a big deal. Don't forget about the giveaway. We'll be doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button. Also for the lip, if you guys have any questions, leave it on the comments. And don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any content. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.